Hello friends, I hope you are all doing great. Today we will learn object-oriented programming in Arduino by creating a simple LED blink demo using a class. By the end, you will know how to write clean, reusable code for LED control. So let us get started step by step. This is Arduino IDE. Let us save this code first. LED blink OOP. Okay. Let us define red LED pin is 4. Now create LED class. Type here class LED. In the class there are two types of attribute, private and public. Private variable means this type of variable can only be accessed and used inside the class itself. It is hidden from outside. Okay. Public variable means this type of variable can be accessed and used from outside the class as well as inside. It is openly available to other part of the program. Okay. Let me declare a byte type pin variable in private section. It will be accessed by the class only. Okay. Now we have to define a constructor function in this public section, which will be called automatically when an object of class is created. Okay. The constructor function must have the same name as the class, so it will be the LED. In the constructor function, we assign the pin number into the private pin variable. The argument is of type byte called pin. If we simply write pin is equal to pin, it will not work because the compiler will treat both as the local argument. To avoid this, one option to change the argument name. For example, pin with capital letter. That works, but I prefer not to use that style. Instead, I use arrow operator. It clear that the pin variable belongs to this class and we are assigning the argument value to the private member variable. Now we will define the function for initialization and for the turning LED on and off. Okay. In the initialization function, we will set the LED pin mode as input or output. So call the function pin mode and argument is the pin and output. In the on function, we will send a high signal to the pin. This means the LED will glow. Call the digital write function. Argument is pin and high. Okay. In the off function, LED will be turned off. So call the function LED write and argument is pin and low. Okay. Now the class is ready and it is time to create an object. The object will be type LED and name will be the red LED and the argument will be the red LED macro, which is defined as 4 because LED is connected to pin 4. Next we will call the init function to initialize the LED, so we write red LED.init. Okay. In the void loop we will call the on function to turn on the LED, so we write red LED.on. Okay. After that we put a delay of 250 milliseconds. Next we call the off function to turn off the LED, so we write red LED.off. Again we put a delay of 250 milliseconds. This sequence makes the LED blink continuously on for 250 milliseconds, then off for 250 milliseconds. Now the code is ready and it is time to build it. Go to tool and select the appropriate COM port, the correct processor and the correct board. Once these are set, you can compile and upload the code to your Arduino board. Now click on upload. Okay, where is the issue? Okay, I missed the semicolon in the end of the class definition. Again click on upload. Wow, it is blinking. That means it works perfectly. That's it friends. I hope you enjoyed this video on basic object-oriented programming with Arduino. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching and I will see you in next one.